think I'm going to have. I can't decide. One ice cream will be terrific.
Paul?
Well, look, I'm on a fact-finding mission here, folks, and besides, they don't give any small services. Jeez, it's good. Back on the Bruce Highway, if you drive north for about an hour, you hit Cardwell, and I'm in search of an edible Australian icon. Take a look at this place. It's Australia's largest prawn farm, and I'm to get the inside info.
Napilipit ako.
Gary Davis has been a prawn pro for about 8 years, and now manages about 48 million of them.
We're just going to pull this deep tray out and see if we've got